It's not just routine tasks. AI is now handling complex coding and even creative roles. Isn't just talk anymore, it's reality. Let's break down exactly how. For over a century, automation targeted sweat and muscle. Machines took over assembly lines, handling the heavy lifting of the industrial age. Is AI really going to take our jobs? The threat to white-collar roles isn't just talk anymore, it's reality. Let's break down exactly how. That created a belief that if you sat behind a desk, you were safe. Corporate, cognitive labor was considered immune to the gears of industry. We built our entire educational system around this promise. Earning a 4-year degree and putting on a suit became the standard blueprint for economic security. For decades, the global economy relied on this divide. Use your mind instead of your hands, and your career would be protected. But that old standard of economic safety is breaking right now. Artificial intelligence is crossing a threshold that engineers once thought was decades away. It is directly replicating human thought, logic, and creativity. The disruption is hitting the exact roles we pushed millions of students to pursue. Young entry-level assistants, senior financial analysts, expert software programmers, and professional graphic designers are watching algorithms execute their daily responsibilities. The threat of automation has left the factory floor. It is now sitting right across from you at your desk. Past technological upgrades were essentially tools. Early digital programs and desktop computers helped humans work faster, but they still strictly required a human operator to function. This visualization shows how modern AI operates differently. While a human brain processes a problem on the left, the AI neural network autonomously synthesizes data, writes code, and generates reports. And these systems are relentless, continuously doubling their cognitive capacity while running costs plummet. Complex projects that used to demand entire departments of highly paid specialists can now be executed by a single employee armed with the right prompts. It's not just routine tasks. AI is now handling complex coding and even creative roles. We don't just need to upskill, we need to learn to work with AI. Corporations are adopting these tools rapidly because they operate under the pressure of Wall Street to maximize their margins. Looking at this financial balance sheet, the corporate incentive is obvious. Human employees require healthcare, vacation time, and annual raises. The AI side offers a flat, incredibly low operational cost. Operating 24 hours a day, algorithms are breaking the traditional human labor model. The results are already showing up in the labor market. Entry-level opportunities are vanishing. Wages for mid-level cognitive work are stagnating, and competition for the remaining high-paying roles is becoming incredibly fierce. To a corporate executive focused on margins, artificial intelligence is a miracle of efficiency. To a highly educated professional relying on those wages, it represents massive structural uncertainty. You can feel anxiety in almost any office building today. Workers are watching their specialized skills become commoditized, fearing the ground is accelerating underneath them. The modern workforce is fracturing into two distinct groups: those who resist the technology and those who adapt early. Professionals who weave AI into their daily routines find their output exploding. They become dramatically more productive, gaining superhuman capacity compared to their peers. Professional competition now pits human intuition against people wielding continuously improving algorithms. Longer hours at the desk will no longer protect you. Adapting to the new toolset will. This target graphic maps the value of human skills in an AI economy. Routine analytical tasks get pushed out to the margins, but in the glowing center bullseye, we find creativity, leadership, cultural nuance, and empathy. These are the unautomatable skills. As the business world fills with hyper-intelligent but emotionless algorithms, genuine human trust becomes the rarest and most valuable commodity in the market. The era of the protected degree has ended. Things are moving fast. The ones who master AI will be the ones leading the pack. What do you guys think about this? Let me know down in the comments.